Hello, welcome again for the session today. And today, into this session, we are talking about Django tutorial, and you're learning with me, along with me, together. So, to begin with, we talked about how we can create a project, how we can install Django. Now we are talking about creating an app, views, and URL. So I'll be taking you through the slides, but before I take you to other part, I just want to talk about two things. One is in the last class we created demo called demo1.sample1. So that's the name of the project that we created. We'll be using the same. And the second is that these are the sites from where I'm taking the reference and I'm trying to learn when talking to you. So this is w3schools.com and djangoprojects.com. So very quickly, I'll take you to the part of the script where we are running. So I'll just remove everything there. So now, to start with, I need to first go into that folder. So I've moved from desktop to Django. And now Django demos, that's where I'm creating it. Now I need to move to that project. So that is demo1, sample 1. I'm in that project now. Once I'm in the project, what I have to do is I'll have to create an app. So in order to create the app, what I'm going to do is py manage.py start app, and I'll name it as my demo1. And for future references, I'll just copy this and I will hit enter. The moment I hit enter, this will execute, and this is where my actual project is lying. I have a folder with the name, or I have a folder with the name of my demo. So very quickly, I'll go into it. The first thing that I'll be working on is creating the view. So I'll be putting up it in the notepad. So that is where the empty view lies. So in that, we need to create our view. So we see that it is already been, when the render has already been called, but we need to import another one from http import. And what we need to import, http response, and then I'll be creating a method. I'll be creating a definition, and that's the name of the project that we have created. So we'll put that name here, and I will say request, and that is how I'll be declaring a function. And the function I'll write on return http response, and here I can write down anything that I want to write. So welcome to the session on with div k. So this is a comment. I don't think that will cause any issue, but I will close it and save it. Now we have created the view. The other section that we have to do is we need to work on the views. So I'll be creating a new file here, new text file, and name it as urls.py, and I'll remove the extension which it automatically gives. Just be an error. I'll just create that, do a right click, and I'll go into it to edit it. So I'll open it up with a notepad. The first thing that I have to do again is I need to import the stuff that I require. So I'm importing the path from importing the views, and then I'll be talking about URL. So I'll be just writing down one path there. So this is what I'm going to write down in the URL, and I'm going to save it. It's just giving a different one more look. So this is views URL is this. Close it, and then I'm just going to come out of let's add it and come out of demo one, go into the demo sample one and the URL page. So we need to update the same some items here as well. So we have path and include both included. So I will write down another path, start a bracket, includes comma, include. In the bracket, I'll write down the same thing. This dot URLs, closing a double bracket and a semicolon. So path include. That is fine. Now I just want to recheck one more thing if I've not done any wrong in this part here. So yeah, we are good to go. Now once we have done this, we have created the URL, we have created this. Now let's just try to run the server. If there would be no error, but it is giving me an error. So that's where the problem is. I need to go back here, go to open with Notepad. Not here. It's demo one sample. Okay. Open with Notepad, and I missed to put a single quote there. Save it. I'll still open first Control C, and then I will run the server. So everything is fine. Now what we have to do is we have to pick this up URL and take it to the browser, put it there, and put my demo. You can see the same message that we have written here. So that's what we have talked about. We have talked about creating an app, and for that we have used this command. This is where we are creating the app. Then we have updated the views. We have created a method in the view called with the same name as the name of the folder, the app that we have created, and then that we have shown you the text. So what in all we have done is we have created the view, we have updated the URLs, and then we have executed it, and that's the way that you see the pages. So with this, we have completed the demo thing. The other thing that I want to say is thank you. So I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. So in order to contact me, you can put me in your comments on the YouTube, or you can email me on divkaler@gmail.com. So with that, I thank you, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.